Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you use Klarna on Argos. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use Argos on Klarna, so what are you going to do? You're going to, like as usual, like just make your purchase, go to the checkout, add your card, and then this checkout, and then get to the payments option here, the page here. So for example, I'll just use this as an example, this unit. So I'll just add this, and then I'll get this. I'll continue with this. So I'm going to make an order of this item here. So this DVD player, this Blu-ray player. So you can just choose any product, and then just get to the checkout page, like get to the checkout page, like do everything as usual, like how you normally make an online purchase. So select the delivery address, everything, your details, delivery address, and then your delivery date, everything. So whatever you want to, all those informations, just choose all those, and then just when you get to the payments page, that's when we're going to look into it. So I'm just going to get into the payment section here. So let me just get to that. All right, so now here, when I get to this payment section here, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll down and I'll see the different types of payment options here. So I have the PayPal, I have the Argos card, or I have the credit card option here. These options vary depending on your region. Okay, so it varies depending on your region. Usually, if your region supports Klarna, so what you can do, you should see a Klarna option as well here under the payment methods. But if you don't see Klarna, then that means it doesn't support. But what you can do as an alternate, you can also choose these credit or debit card details. You can choose that credit or debit card details, and they accept Visa cards. Since they accept Visa cards, so what you can do, you can use your Klarna card. So if you open up your app and then generate a Klarna card. So if you need help with generating a Klarna one-time card, we have a separate video on our channel. You can look into it for help. So once you get this your Klarna card, it's actually a prepaid Visa card. So you can use this card here, these details here, and then you can plug that in here and then pay now with it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information and video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.